Hi guys, good morning. I'm just from my morning jogging and I've decided, you know what, let me do a house tour kwa sababu, man, I've been MIA and you guys don't even know where I've been, what I've been up to, and that's not fair to you guys. So I want to show you where I'm at right now. Welcome to my house. Okay, so let me introduce you to my clothes. Hizi nguo zote ni zangu, imagine. Jana was Sunday, niliita mama fua. I hate washing clothes. I'd rather go to war than wash clothes. And the scariest thing is that I'm not even joking. Like, that's how much I hate washing clothes. So karibuni to my new home. Okay, sorry. The first thing mnaona ni viatu. Mwende mseme no marato. Anyway, this is my living room. It's a one bedroom. Yeah, so I pretty much have the same things that I used to have. Okay, so followers, my long-term followers, mnajua I had a black couch, but that one I decided to leave it kwa my wooden cabin jua kukuwa na couch poa, and then I got another one. Obviously singeacha guitar yangu huku. The wall is pretty blank. I will look for some wall art nikipata pesa. Na sina study table yenye nilikuwa nayo niliacha ushago. So yeah, I will save and buy another study table. In the meantime, I'll be doing my work from my couch. Yeah, so piano obviously singewacha, and then I got a small car fridge and a small car dispenser because I am one person. Kwani how much do I need? And I'm not really a foodie. However, this car fridge is really small. By then ni kadogo sana. When you ukienda kununua fridge yako, buy a bigger one. This one is too small. But it's fine if you're on a budget. Like me, I was on a budget. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Haina vitu hivyo. Twende. This is the kitchen. It's a tiny kitchen. Everything mine is tiny. But it will do. As I said, I am one person. How much do I need? And this is in chona ni bafu. Alafu ka sink na laundry basket. Oh, welcome to my bedroom, my private room. This is how it looks like when you enter. Yeah, I came back with the curtains that I had and a small kitty. And then this house doesn't have a closet, so thank God I had this DIY closet. I don't know what I would have done. Yeah. So uzuri wakona, they had that hanger thing, so that will do. That's it, y'all. This is where I am right now. This is where I live right now. I should be given gift ya nini. Mtu mwenye uhama sana. Because I move a lot. Like, but right now I can't imagine moving again. I would go mad. So one thing I love about here is because you have like a small space to yourself. You know, there's gorofa. So yeah, and then I have neighbors who are practically never there, which is a good thing for me because I like some quiet and some peace.